Hello guys, this is TechMasters and this is the review of the new Euphoria. It's powered by Cyanogen. It has a quad-core Snapdragon 410 quad-core processor, 1.2 GHz, and an Adreno 306 GPU, which is very good for high-end gaming. Now, before we take a look at this phone in detail, let's just look at the accessories that we get with this phone. Earphone, it's pretty good. Like Apple's earphones, almost the same. It's good. And charger, you know it, right? And something else in this. Let's just take a look at this quick look. And it has a screen guard and user manual, special features, blah blah blah, and things like that. And we can look at this later. And let's just look at the phone now. First, just like a quick look in the settings. There's some things in the settings, special things. Let's look at the Android version for now. The Android version is Lollipop. And oh, this game, I really don't like this game. Yeah, I hate it. And now let's look at other things in the settings. Like something that caught my eye was the themes. A special feature here. One is powered by Cyanogen and the other one by Android. As I told you, it's Euphoria is powered by Cyanogen. Cyanogen theme has something in special. It has boot animation. This is something that caught my eye mostly because it animates into coming like this, and other things are you can click on this and hold it there and it will come to customize if you want default or system. It's not much of a difference, but it's still a difference. And now let's take a look at the camera now. Camera is pretty good too. It has an 8 megapixel back camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. Now let's just check out the back camera. Take a photo. Yep, pretty good photos. Now let's check the front camera. Front camera is also pretty good, but it's just 5 megapixel. Now let's just check out the photos that we took in the gallery. Yeah, it's pretty good photos. That's pretty good, by the way. Now let's just see if there are some other features, but there's not much other features in this, but there are some disadvantages. Mainly the main disadvantage that I think is it's not OTG supported, so you can't transfer pen drive files into it so easily. And another thing, it has a memory of 16 GB ROM and 2 GB RAM. Now let's just but I would really, it's a beautiful phone and good to hold, and if someone is looking for a low budget phone with good features, I would recommend this one because it's just great and it's just 7K in India. So thank you for watching this video, and I would like you guys to give a thumbs up to our video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.